Hello techies, this is TestOut PC Pro 11.4.12 and we're going to configure a wireless profile. So you are working on a small network recently, you increase the security of the wireless network. In this lab, your task is to manually create a wireless network profile on the laptop as follows. Network name is police van, security type is going to be WPA2 personal, encryption is going to be AES, security key paraphrase is going to be for watching you, and you're going to start the connection automatically connect even if the network is not broadcasting. And after everything is said and done, we're going to go ahead and delete the out of date TrendNet BGN wireless profile. So let's start up. The first thing that we want to do is to go to the start menu. We're going to open the start menu and we are going to settings. From settings, you want to locate network and internet, and from network and internet you want to let's see, want to manage a known network, and from there we're going to forget the old network. So we'll go ahead and add a network. So here this network name is going to be police van. You can go ahead and copy this and paste to save time, but I think I will have to type this in. After that, we want to change the security type to this, and security key for watching you. You can also copy and paste to save time and avoid typographical error. So when I'm done, I'm going to connect automatically and connect even if network is not broadcasting. So I see everything seems fine. We'll go ahead and save, and let's check answers and see how we do. Everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Like and subscribe to the channel. You can also consider joining my professional membership. You can also reach me through my email. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.